Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G9 Play and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. First, open the settings application and then tap here to the sounds and vibration. Here we got media call, ring and notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should just slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels with our finger. Here we got the vibration for call section. We could switch never for vibrate, always to vibrate, and vibrate first then ring gradually. Settings. In multi-volume section we could turn on and turn off the multi-volume options. Here we got also audio effects. We could activate them or to turn them off. And here we got the don't disturb mode. We could turn it on or turn it off with a click on this button. We could allow some calls, messages or notifications from many people, apps or alarms, and to set the schedule, the start or the end time, and also we could switch here duration for quick settings and to display options for hiding notifications. Then just go back. Here we could activate and turn off the live captions, and in advanced settings we got the media player section settings. We could activate media player in quick settings or to turn it off with the help of the switcher. We could switch ringtone, notification and alarm sounds, and to activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, power on, power off sounds, outgoing call vibration with a click on each of the switcher. And also we could activate and turn off pick up to silence option and to flip the device for DND mode. And also we could activate or turn off the option to use the media controls to change the just music, the tracks. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Motorola Moto G9 Play. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.